Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your shaft collars onto all the steel rods. Pretty straightforward. I'm just going to bring in a lot of them. Do place. Make sure you go to your H drive, find your folder, and then put in all your shaft collars. Open it up, and I don't know, just put a bunch. Keep doing left clicks. I guess I can only do so many. Okay. Do a right click, OK. Now you want to do constrain and use your insert relationship that you've been using over and over and over. So you need one up against, make sure you're hitting that circle up against there to hold this thing from falling apart. You need one on the other side to stop it from falling apart. I don't like how I did. Notice how I didn't push that out far enough. That's something you want to go back and fix. I doubt I would take very much out for that, to be honest. But if you're going for perfection, that should have really been handled better. Need shaft collar here so this doesn't fly apart. Shaft collar here. Shaft collar holding this together. Let's see. In my case, I have a really skinny counterweight. Yours will probably be different. Some of them will have the shaft collar on the outside. You just need to hold this so that it's stable and doesn't hit the sides as it falls. The one there. And then you probably would need to put one on this. This thing could still slide back and forth. So you'd probably want to just put one right in this area. Okay, that's not perfection, but that's good enough. And are there any other ones? I think that's all of them. All right, and then the last thing I guess you want to do is make sure this is in throwing position. That's the best view. If you have it up, it's too big and it doesn't fit on the paper very well. And then make sure that this counterweight here is not going through that board. If it was like this, that's impossible. So you need to rotate this so it's correct. Once again, have this back so you have a more compact view of your catapult. Let me know if you have any other questions.